It's VertiBlocks Gaming here. Today we are doing another video of Phantom Forces with the Penguin 178. And if you guys want me to play more Mystery X, leave a like on the video, comment, join my game, and tell me that you want me to play it with you. I'll friend you. If you're the first 4 people to ask me on that server, I will friend you. Let's get into this. Penguin, join me. I'm Phantom Forces. I'm about to level up, dude. I'm about to have the RPK. I'm gonna be doing a challenge. I have to get at least 1 kill in this round per every machine kind of gun in the Caribbean and stuff. This is gonna be really hard. If you guys are new to my channel, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It really means a lot to me. So, you joining? I'm in. I'm already in now. I'm right now looking around my homepage of my thing. I wanted to update again. So badly. Weapon loadout. Good like this. I'm gonna use every single one that I have. Machine guns. I have to do every one. So let's deploy out. Okay. Starting with the AK-47, Nudo. Yes, got one person. I defended a position without being there. That didn't make any sense. Weapon loadout. AN-94. Okay, let's spawn it. Dude, are you on my team? Yes, you're on my team. Dude, spawn on me. Hello, behind you. Behind you, turn around.
I know, there's someone near there on your team.
Hey, got somebody. I have to reset now. Okay. Change again. As full now. Yuri, I'm gonna spawn on you, okay? Squad deploy. Trying to get yourself killed here. Hey, you don't turn around. Turn around and look at my gun. Dude, behind you. Oh, geez. Oh, come on! I almost killed him. That doesn't count for me because I didn't shoot him with my gun. Dang it. Dude, spawn in. Stop being comment, would you? You try not to get yourself killed. Yuda, look behind you. Look behind you. Behind you. Escape or enter. Suckers. Hey, weapon. But did you see my skin? I have a dog skin. Hey, Scarl L. Get in here. Escape or enter. G. G. Come on, it gave me a second death because, quote unquote, I died. So stupid.
Yeah, I'm gonna level up probably next round.
AUG.
Yeah,
yeah, I'm gonna actually probably respawn by next round, yeah, so. Okay. Okay, got somebody, escape or enter. G. I know, I reset what, no, I reset. Dude, it doesn't count me as killed. Dude, I'm doing a video on this, I don't care, I'm already guarding the bases. I've already been guarding the base, I've gotten most of the bases except for A.
be good. There's only on TikTok and anything.
No, they really aren't.
They are. We're only winning by 4. They A and C. They're going to get more points than us. They're not going to believe.
Oh, no, they really aren't, you know, because kills also count. Yeah, they do. Dude, I know more than you. Dude, I know more about what I'm talking about than you because you don't play this as much as me.
I know I've played on these shoulders best. I know it's best in between us and to be on it. You're not that good for well, it can't reset right now. We need capture A.
Reset doesn't count against you. Dude, who thinks you just died again? Stop talking for a second, please. Who did this 1 times 1 times 1 times 16 on our game? I'm right now working on getting a base, so we'll be quiet. No, thanks. I'm not. Okay, I'm not. I quit on this gun. This gun sucks. Okay, weapon loadout. G336. Deploy. Victory! Really? You know, and you were saying? They had no chance. You're not on my team. You're not on my team anymore. Okay, this is my last gun up here that I have to use, and then I have to start doing recon. Okay, let's get into this. I'm not on your team. You have to go eat right now, Billy? You have to eat right now? Do you have to eat right now? See ya. Okay, let's get to the recons now. Weapon loadout. I got this idea from Paradox Poke. Go check out his channel. He's a great guy. I don't know him in real life, but he's a great guy. Great channel. He just hit 100,000. Show him your love. And show me also your love. Ow. No! Come on, I have to kill these people with this. Ugh. Come on. Yeah, you shot him. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Did I stab him? Okay. Escape bar, enter. Open loader, Remington. Deploy. Oh, come on. Flip. Okay, let's get back into this. Okay, escape bar, enter. Okay, weapon loadout. Dragunov. This I'm really good at the Dragunov itself. Okay, get back up here. Go, 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 go. Dang it. Okay, get back in here. As I said before, if you guys want me to play a different game, I just played Murder Mystery. I just go check out that video. Leave a link to it. Okay, killed somebody with that. Let's see if there are any more recons that I can still use. Okay, about AKU. Okay, none of these. L22, AKU, no. DMR, Dragunov, SKS, K11. Okay, go to secondary, machine pistols, revolver, other. SFG, rank 75. Jeez. Okay, let's play like a normal round almost. The no! Oopsies. Okay, let's go get that M60. Okay, now we have to do these guns. Deploy. Escape or enter. Okay, weapon loadout. UMP. Deploy. No! Dang it. Why? Yes! Killed him. Weapon loader, MP7. Get into this. As I said, I leave links to other videos like my most recent one, the Murder Mystery, and my most recent jailbreak vid. I finally got the wow! Okay, got somebody. Escape or enter. G. Weapon loadout. Act 10. This is probably going to be the last one for today. Quickly get in for the last 10 seconds of this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like.